Create stunning animated stories without writing complex scripts, planning camera angles, or building environments from scratch. AniStudio is an AI-powered animation creation platform that works like an AI agent to generate stunning animations using a simple story idea or a reference image. Instead of manually animating characters, users can simply describe what they want, and the system generates characters, scenes, voice, lip sync, and a complete animation video all inside one interface. This AI animation platform works almost like an AI agent. You simply type a prompt, and it converts that prompt into animated scenes and videos as if you are having a normal conversation. And the result is surprising. Everything you are about to see was generated from a simple text prompt. But that is not the limit. You can also start with reference images and a story idea, and the system can generate a complete, consistent character story animation with voiceover, sound effects, and background music all inside a single interface. And here is what makes it even more powerful. If something is not right, you can adjust it instantly with a simple text command. In this video, we will begin with a basic story idea and generate a full animation step by step. Then, we will test this tool using a reference image and see if it can create a complete and consistent animation film. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. To access this tool, simply click on the Start Free button. Currently, this tool is in the beta phase, and you can access it through an invitation code. To get the code, simply click on the Apply button, fill out the details, and wait for your turn. The quick and easy way to access this tool is through Discord. Join the Discord server, and in the chat, you can get the invitation code as they are frequently shared there. Let's paste the invitation code here and create the account. You will then be directed to the simple and clean dashboard of this tool. Let's start with a simple text prompt to generate a 30-second Pixar-style animation with the story idea of a curious 12-year-old boy who explores a forest searching for his missing drone. He follows blinking lights through foggy trees and discovers the drone hovering above an ancient, hidden ruin. Simply click on this button, and a new workflow window will open. On the right side, you have the conversation window where we will give commands to execute the story step by step. In the middle, we have the output window for each step. On the left side, you have a couple of options if you want to try things manually. You can see that the agent has started working on the story outline. Here we have two modes: AI Director mode for generating a full video in one go, while Workflow mode allows you to go step by step. And here you can see the steps that will be followed in Workflow mode. Let's start with Workflow mode so we can go step by step. Now we have to choose the basic settings such as audience, aspect ratio, and voice. You can also increase or decrease the video duration depending on the length you want. Just click on the Confirm button to move to the next step. Based on the settings, we now have the story outline with characters and complete scene details. Here you can see the full story outline with everything included. Now click on this button to choose the video style. Based on the story, it gives you some style ideas to choose from. If the suggested style does not match your story, simply click on the Style library to select from a wide range of styles. Let's choose this style for this story to move to the next step. Once the style is selected, the next step is to design the visuals. Just click on this concept design option and wait for a few seconds. And here we have all the visuals based on our story. Once the visuals are finalized, click on this button to create the shot-by-shot storyboard. Here you can see how each scene is divided into shots with camera settings and durations to make the total video length 30 seconds, as we set earlier. By clicking on the Keyframe Generation button, we can start generating the images and videos. Here we have two options: generate all images at once, or go step by step. For better results, I will go with the step-by-step option and generate the images first. And here we have the images for the first 2 shots. Both images look good and are consistent with the shot descriptions. Now click on this button to generate the next batch of images. And here we have the images for our remaining shots, and all of them look consistent with the shot descriptions. Once the images are generated, let's move on to generating the video clips for each shot. After confirming the clip duration for each shot, let's generate each clip one by one. Here, you can see that the Seedance model is selected for video generation. And here we have the first shot clip. The result looks good, with smooth camera movement and scene animation. You can also regenerate any shot by choosing other models. Just go to the AI video option and select another model from the list. Let's generate the second shot clip. And here we have another great result with accurate character expressions. For any shot that looks awkward, you can simply ask the system to generate the video again. And here we have a better result compared to the previous one. Once all the clips are generated, let's ask it to generate the voiceover for this story. And here we have the narration text for each shot. Click on this button to generate the voiceover. First, choose the voiceover artist from this library, or go with the selected one. And here we have the generated voice narration. Now we will ask it to generate the background music for this story by clicking on this button. Once everything is generated, the last step is to combine everything to create the final video by clicking on this button. And here we have the final output video.
You.
This video looks excellent in character consistency, scene transitions, camera movements, and animations, even without providing detailed character descriptions. For a further test, I pasted this detailed story idea in Studio Ghibli animation style, with character details and second-by-second shot descriptions to generate a 1-minute animation video. And here is the amazing result generated by this AI agent. The result looks great, with strong character consistency, scene-by-scene animations, and a coherent story throughout the video. Apart from text-based story ideas, I also used this character as a reference image along with a background image. Then, I only added a simple story idea without specifying camera angles or other detailed instructions. By following the same step-by-step conversation with the AI agent, we generated a complete animation story.
Deep in the heart of the jungle, where ancient towering trees touch the sky, a young and curious explorer named Maya carefully followed the distant sound of rushing water through the dense vegetation. Her eyes locked firmly on the path ahead. She ran with fierce determination, fearless and utterly unstoppable.
Another cool feature of this tool is that you can add lip-sync dialogue as well. Click on the lip-sync option on the left side, upload the image or video or select one from the canvas. Let's choose this shot image. Select the character and click the next button. Now, to add the dialogue voice, click on this button to open the text-to-speech window. Paste the dialogue text, choose the voiceover artist, and click the button to generate the audio. Once the audio is generated, add it to the timeline. Click on the Generate button, and your lip-sync video shot will be created.
Okay. This place definitely isn't on the map. Grandpa always said the jungle hides its best secrets.
You can repeat this procedure for all the scene shots and generate lip-sync voiceovers as well. So, this AI agent is perfect for automating animation-style story videos, and you can generate longer videos while keeping character consistency intact. Take advantage of this tool to create some amazing results. What do you think about this model? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.